This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to make your flower rose. You need your satin ribbon, you need your needle and thread, you need your scissors, your tape roll, and your wax candle gum. The first thing you are going to do is that you are going to measure the size of your flower rose. This is my satin ribbon. I'm going to measure 4. Then you cut it out. Your size depends on how you want it to be wide or small. Then take your needle and thread. The first thing you will do is that you fold this mouth here, the first one, triangular shape. Then you fold it in again. You take your needle and thread. You sew it out. This is the way I sew it. And draw your needle. Then come to the edge, the last edge here. You fold it in a triangular shape again. Then you fold it in. Use your needle and thread. Can you see it? This is what it's going to give you. You secure the end of it by tacking it down. Then you cut the thread out. You can see it. See how it looks. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to join it together. The first step, you join 5 together. Look at it. Then I join it. Then I put my white candle. I join it. The last one, the 5th one, join it. Then put your white candle again. Then you join the mouth together. It's going to give you something like this. Then you create the second step. That one you are going to use 3. The first one is 5. The second one is 3. Then you join the edge like the first one. You can see it. Then you put your wax candle, then you gum it with you put it inside the big one, the first one. Then you use your hand to gum it. The third one, you are going to join two of the rows and block it again at the edge, and use your wax handle for the back, then put it inside again, you can see. Then the next one is to take 5 again, join it together, then after this, put your wax candle inside to roll the ribbon together. You can see it. I put my wax candle down, then I'm going to roll it. Use my hand to roll it together like this. You can see it. Then take your gum, put it around it, fix it inside the one you have done. Fix it well. Then press it inside. Press it. You can see it. This is how to make your ribbon flower rose. Look at the back, then get something to cover the back. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.